Hello friends and welcome back to Mystical Ventures, and today's vlog I'll be exploring in Bantwal, Mangalore, and somewhere shopping around in Mangalore city at D-Mart, and this was early in the morning.
40 rupees.
ये क्या हुआ? मैं 40 रुपीज दे देगा। हाँ?
लेके उधर ले
हैं?
लेके उधर ले ले और 40 रुपीस दे दे।
एक बंडे का 60 रुपया।
4 रुपया।
So after having a very heavy breakfast, here my cousin took me loitering around in Bantwal, and here we halted at Nainad, and this is the grocery store, you can say a general store where they come to purchase their daily whatever they need at home. And I saw some lovely and beautiful sweets, and I wanted to purchase them. My cousin started then giving me some red signals saying that, bro, we never ate, so I have no idea, so we just dropped down the idea of purchasing it. And then again we went back, we were going towards home, and then again I saw this mesmerizing beauty of Mangalore, and there were some lovely house structures which I saw. It was like I was feeling like I was in Goa, but अभी तो मुझे लगता है Goa has lost its charm, and I feel Mangalore is really more relaxing and peaceful right now. And in Mangalore everyone has this betel nut का plantation, ये जो सुपारी बोलते हैं. And then we stopped here at Norbert uncle's house. ये कैसे पोज दे रहे रे, वीडियो पता चला उसको, वीडियो ले रहा बोलते हैं. पिंक गाइस है ना.
दूसरे वो यार चोपड़े थोड़े मुझे दूसरा था Come here. 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 सुसु किया?
नहीं किया तो हो गया.
नहीं सुसु करना
वाओ, सीरियस मम्मी रैबिट, पापा रैबिट, बच्चे रैबिट, सब लोग मतलब कितने प्यार से लाइक से देखो मिल बांट के खाते हैं. सो नाइसली शेयरिंग एंड केयरिंग. आई हाय, ये देखो नजर लग गई रे बाबा. Then after loitering a little more, then me and my cousin, we went back home. We had our lunch, which I forgot to capture. And then me, my cousin and my Christopher mama, we were heading towards Mangalore city. और जाते जाते हमको ये पप्पू दिख गया आगे से, कोई गाड़ी वाला. वो मतलब पूरे रास्ते में ही was front of us. पता नहीं कौन है ये पप्पू, होगा कोई महाशय अपने गांव का कोई. And then this was a toll naga which we crossed, and then this is the overhead bridge. और वहाँ से मतलब जो भी train goes from Goa to even till Kanyakumari, the train has to go from that side only. And then finally after a drive of nearly 1 hour, we reached Mangalore city. And now this is at the entrance of Mangalore city. And then देखो starting में church दिखता है. Wow, now this street is called Mother Teresa Road, and now this is St. Mary's Composite College, and then there is St. Mary's School also just close by only over there. And then now from here we were heading in the main junction of Mangalore, now this is Mangalore city only, but और थोड़ा अंदर जाके how we have a prime area. तो यहाँ पे there's a prime area Hampan Katta. So now this is Our Lady of Milagres Church, means it's Our Lady of Miracles Church. So Konkani mein we say Milagros. So in English it is Our Lady of Miracles Church, and in Konkani it is Milagres Church. So whenever you come to Mangalore, always the famous spot is Milagres Church. And now here in Mangalore also, I saw one of my favorite, that is yes, Madhuri Dixit. स्मार्ट बाजार के बाहर मतलब उनका बड़ा सा बैनर पोस्टर लगा है, एंड मैं वो ना लूँ मेरे व्लॉग में, ये कैसे हो सकता है. सो आई हाय माधुरी. एंड जस्ट लिटिल फर्दर इज अपना D-Mart. सो आई तो वांटेड टू गो टू D-Mart बिकॉज आई एम क्रेजी व्हेन आई गो टू D-Mart, बिकॉज मेरे को सस्ते में अच्छे भी सामान मिलते हैं. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू जस्ट गो एंड पिक अप सम गुड स्टफ फॉर माई सेल्फ. सो आई फाउंड दिस अ गुड डील. मतलब हाफ किलो बासमती राइस 42 रुपीज़ में, तो मैंने 2 पैकेट डाला. मेन वॉज माइंड टू बाई दिस ग्लूकॉन-डी नींबू पानी वाला फ्लेवर. सो आई परचेस दिस, एंड poor my cousin Conrad had to be my cameraman for that day. And this he captured me and Christopher Mama just shopping around in D-Mart. I purchased this 1 kg custard powder because MRP was 157 and I got it for 120. And very soon I'll be coming with a recipe using the custard powder.
They look like cricket bat.
finally I got the jelly sticks which I was searching for, because you get it in jeera masala, kala khatta and kachi kairi. But since me and my Paltan, we all love kala khatta, I purchased kala khatta sticks for all of them. So all the while me and Christopher Mama were captured by Conrad in the vlog. So now here finally I captured him also. So now यहाँ पे I was surprised to see that you get parachute cooking oil also, because till now I knew you get parachute only सर पे लगाने वाला चम्पी करने वाला तेल. तो I was like shocked to see that. थोड़ा bicep tricep थोड़ा like flex करके I was purchasing this Colgate toothpaste, because mine was also getting over at home, so I purchased from there. वो भी देखो स्माइल कर करके बत्ती सी दिखा दिखा के खरीदे मैंने. हाय हाय. Now here I was trying to find out for the Himalaya Neem Foam face wash, but that was not available, or was it out of stock? I had no idea. And deodorants also, the ones which I prefer using, that also was not available, so I was a little disappointed with that. Here me and Christopher Mama were posing for a pic, and Conrad was too mischievous because he captured a video for the vlog. And now this is from the basement. We were heading towards the exit side. Now this is St. Anthony's Ashram, that is in Mangalore city. Going a little further, now here this is St. Joseph Workshop and Art section. This is the entrance towards that. And little ahead, now this over here, this is St. Joseph Seminary and the church. Now this entrance goes to the church and the seminary. Now this is the entrance at Highland Coffee Works. The Diamond Factory. I did not find this showroom that attractive, but the chick over here, the dame outside, wow, she looks beautiful, right? Just see the style, yeah. Any Pereiras watching my vlog, don't get excited because it doesn't belong to you all. It belongs to some Pereiras in Mangalore. Now this is Milagres Hall Complex. This belongs to the Our Lady of Miracles Church Parish. And all of the Catholic marriages, functions, whatever, baptism, communion takes place over here. Hindu weddings also takes place in that. And very recently now, Muslims had their iftar party also in this hall. So after parking our car, here me, Christopher Mama and Conrad were heading towards buying the Mangalore's specialty, that is the famous Bafat Masala. Here you get the authentic and the real Bafat Masala, which is made by the nuns. And they have the other variations also of masala. Like yeah, I purchased the fish fry masala along with my Bafat Masala, so that I can try a new taste once I go to Goa. This is the workshop, or you can say this is the mill where they prepare all these masala powders. Now here looking at the Joy Aluka outlet, it made me a bit nostalgic, because in our family we have purchased most of our jewelry from the Alukas. Like we used to previously, when we used to reside in Kuwait, we used to go to the Kuwait city area, and we used to go to this Joy Alukas, Jos Alukas, Francis Alukas. So that made me a bit nostalgic and remember Kuwait. Now over here there is this Pereira's restaurant. It's stood there for more than 100 years, and they celebrated the 100-year anniversary also. That is what Christopher Mama told me. And very soon, immediately, it seemed they just closed down the restaurant. They shut it down forever. Now God knows why. They might be having their own reasons. Now here there's Leica imitation jewelry outlet. Pata nahi why, because in US, UK, Leica Mobile, right? They have their SIM cards. So यहाँ पे तो ये है. And then here I saw something Aifa, the wedding fancy shop. I mean, that's a very fancy name. Maybe Dulha Dulhan, the bridal couple, may be getting the red carpet wali feeling when they wear their clothes. So Aifa wali feel aati hogi. So going a bit little forward, we had specially come here to eat this Ideal ice cream. I mean, we make it a point whenever we go to Mangalore city, we always go to Ideal ice cream. But since it was a weekend, there was no parking. It was like full and crowded and pura gachadi tha. So bad luck. So maybe next time I'm definitely going to go again. I just want to have Ideal ice cream. And वहाँ से then we just came forward because mood ही खराब हो गया. We could not eat ice cream. So then we went forward and then little loitered around. Then we were going back home. So beach में on the way when we were going back home, we just picked up some of the street food just as snacks. And that's all in for today's vlog. So till then, do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That is Mystical Ventures. Thank you.